In this video, I will show you how to register for courses via the self-service portal. Once you log in, click on the graduation cap on the left. Then click on Course Catalog to review all the courses offered in a particular semester. Under Term, we can select which semester we would like to review. Under Courses and Sections, you can also select the subject that you'd like to search for. For example, I will select Biology. If you were looking for a particular course number, you could enter it here. There are also other settings that you can configure, such as the days of the week the course is offered, the location, the time, and the course type. When you're ready to search, click the blue Search button. We can now see all the biology courses offered in the fall. After you look through the list and pick one you want to register for, go ahead and click the blue Add button. This screen will let you know what prerequisites you need in order to take this course. It will also inform you if you need to take a lab section and give a description of the course. When you're done reviewing the course, go ahead and click Add Section. You can now see it says Planned next to the section you added. When you're all done searching for courses and adding them to your plan of work, you can review your plan of work by navigating back to the graduation cap, clicking on Student Planning, and clicking on Plan and Schedule. You can now see the two courses I have added for fall, Anthropology and Biology. The weekly schedule view blocks out the times the selected courses occur and can help you to optimally plan your time. When you're ready to register, go ahead and click the blue Register Now button. You can see that I am now successfully registered for Anthropology as the course is green in the weekly schedule view. The yellow error messages in the upper right indicate that I am unable to register for Biology because I have not completed the required prerequisites. When you're all done registering, you can print your schedule by clicking on the Print button. If you're not sure what to register for, you can review your progress by returning to the graduation cap, clicking on Student Planning, and selecting My Progress. This page shows you your progress towards your degree. You can then review the requirements to figure out what courses to take. You can then click on the Search button to see course offerings that fulfill this graduation requirement. You can then add the course to your plan by clicking on Add Section to Schedule. Well, that's a basic overview of how to register for classes. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our help desk. Thank you.